Automate Excel and Google Sheets Tasks app. The pros, the cons. Automate Excel and Google Sheets Tasks app is designed to save you hours by turning repetitive spreadsheet work into seamless, automated workflows. Most people get this wrong by manually copying data, writing formulas, or running the same reports every week. But here's the surprising truth: with the right automation, tasks that used to take hours can now be done in minutes. A major pro of this app is its ability to handle complex workflows. You can automate data imports, formula calculations, and conditional formatting without writing long scripts. For example, it can automatically pull sales data from its CSV, summarize it, and generate a weekly report ready for management. Another advantage is integration. The app connects Google Sheets and Excel to other tools like Chrome platforms, email clients, or databases. You won't believe how much smoother your workflow becomes when updates in one system automatically reflect across all your sheets and dashboards. It also provides template-based automation, which is ideal for beginners. Pre-built automations for budgeting, inventory tracking, or KPI reporting allow you to start quickly without needing advanced coding knowledge. On the downside, advanced features like custom scripts or API integrations require a bit of learning. However, the app offers tutorials and example projects that make these steps much more approachable. In conclusion, Automate Excel and Google Sheets Tasks app is perfect for anyone who spends significant time managing data. By automating repetitive tasks, integrating multiple tools, and simplifying reporting, it drastically increases productivity and reduces errors. Whether you're a business analyst, accountant, or a small business owner, this app turns tedious spreadsheet work into a simple, efficient process.